Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make some DIY dessert toppings with polymer clay. So first I'm going to be making some sprinkles, and I'm just starting off by rolling out 6 different colored coils. You want to try to make them as even as you can, and next I'm just going to bake them off in the oven, and you can also use a clay knife, but I'm using an X-Acto knife to just cut these off. And I know this looks very tedious, but it actually doesn't take too long, and they look really neat in the end. Once you're done with the red, you can just repeat for all the rest of the colors, and that's how they look. Next, I'm going to be making some swirled marshmallow puffs. So I'm just using pink, yellow, and blue. And you can roll them out into fairly thick coils. Then you can get 2 of them and sort of smash them together, and then pop the third one on top. And then sort of smash them all together again, but not too hard. And then you can start alternating between swirling them between your hands and rolling them out on the table. And now you can just bake that in the oven. Once it's all done, you can start cutting the marshmallows up. Make sure to cut off the end first. And you can cut these off into like thin circular discs and have like thin tri-colored sprinkles, but I'm just going to be making some little fluffy marshmallows, so I'm going to be cutting them like this. And here's how they look close up. I think they look really cute. And that's it. Next, I'm going to be making some chocolate chunks, so I'm just mixing some dark brown polymer clay with some black pastel, and then I'm just going to be sort of smashing it and making a weird rectangle and baking it in the oven. Then you can start cutting it out. And instead of making one huge brick, you can also make like a bunch of tiny ones, and those will bake faster. You can cut these up into like whatever size, but I wanted mine to be pretty big, so I cut them up fairly largely. And now that that's done, you can just leave it like this. Or in my case, I'm going to be adding some more chalk pastel to it, so I'm just mixing some brown and black together. So next, I'm going to be making some peanuts. And I'm rolling this out into a fairly thick, uneven coil, and then you can just bake that in the oven. Once that's all done, I'm adding on some orangey brown chalk pastels, and just using a little brush to shade these peanuts. Once that's done, you can just start chopping it up, and you want to make sure not to like chop them like straight down a lot. You want to kind of do it at an angle so they don't look like little round peanuts. That doesn't really make any sense. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!